Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are at Silver Dollar City's opening day.
Very exciting. It's
Yeah,
a rainy
super
one and
exciting.
a cold one, but it'll be good.
Yep, so come with us. So as we are entering the park, we noticed that there are some food trucks that are here and available, from Fat Tony's Pizza, Flat Creek, which I've had, it's delicious, London Calling, Snow Nut, Nacho Ordinary Taco, which that sounds interesting,
Yes.
and Swirly's Ice Cream and Waffles. So anyway, we are going to go try some of this out. I'm definitely going to be going to Flat Creek. I don't know where Ash is going to go
I
yet.
haven't decided yet, but they all sound wonderful, except the ice cream part. I'm not a big fan of the ice cream right now because it's so
Yeah,
cold.
it is kind of cold today, and it's rainy, as you guys can kind of see around here. But we're getting ready to go right in here to the hospitality house because I've heard there is some Fire in the Hole merch, and we will get in there soon. So see you guys when we get in there. All right, so right as we walk in to the left, the Fire in the Hole merch is right here, and they've got this shirt right here is how much, Ash? Here's the tag. It's right here on your left for
$30.
$29.99.
Not bad.
No, that's not bad at all. And then this gray shirt, the tag says $24.99. And they've got a couple hats for $29.99. This what brand is this hat? Oh, it is also a Richardson hat. These are pretty quality hats. I use them for the baseball teams whenever I coach. This also is $29.99. I'm thinking I'm going to get this one and probably this shirt. And then there's a solid white t-shirt here, which not sure what the price is on this one yet. Can you find a tag for me? Oh, there it is. That one's also $24.99 like the gray one here. So, and they also have a little beanie toque here, whichever one you want to call it, for $29.99 also, which that's kind of neat. That would be kind of cool maybe in the winter time. So anyway, I think I'm going to get this hat and maybe this shirt here, this gray one. I think Ash is getting the baseball tee style.
See, I like it, but it's white. And that's
Shirt.
why I'm hung up on it. I'm hung up.
Yep.
So I might do this color.
Yeah.
I like that one too.
Ooh, look. There's some other stuff over there that we didn't see before. There's some new merch here, so you guys need to come check some of this out. We will show you that later on. We're more concerned about the Fire in the Hole stuff since it is the last season for it.
We're also looking for the Ned Flanders Put Your Pants Back On. So
We are, but I think that was only online. It wasn't. Oh, okay. So we will be searching for that. So anyway, I'm going to purchase this hat for sure. I don't know about this shirt just yet. Probably so. But anyway, after we get it, we will see you afterwards. All right, so we just got out of the shop. I ended up getting the hat, and Ash ended up getting the baseball sleeve shirt, I believe. Yes. Oh no, she went with the gray one that I wanted. They didn't have any extra large, unfortunately, so that kind of stinks. But as you can see, because of the weather, there aren't a lot of people here at the park yet, and preferred parking was kind of bare. It is cold, it is kind of rainy, so I can see how that deters people from coming today. But we're gonna go over here into Hannah's Ice Cream Parlor, and we're gonna get us our Fire in the Hole cups for the season. We've got a little thing planned for you guys today that Silver Dollar City was putting on. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna get our cups. All right, so this is the new cup for this year, which you can purchase and get $2 refills on any cups. It even says beware of the bald knobbers, and I think it's a nice little touch where it says retiring party on there. Another thing that they've got this year is you've got your season pass cards, which are plastic. This year they're not paper, and they even have your face on them. So really like this, and I'm excited. And we have a scavenger hunt to go on to go find red Flanders pants, so we're gonna figure out where we can go start that at, and we will see you when we get there. Until then, I'm gonna enjoy my drink. Okay, so on our way to find how we start this scavenger hunt, we noticed that there is a lot more being done over here with fried fannies, which is going to be right there, and then I think that's going to be a dining area, or something for the woodworking place in the furniture store, possibly. But this has come a long way from the last time we were in the parks, and this is looking really, really nice. I'm very excited about the progress that's being made. So anyway, we're heading down here towards Fire in the Hole, and there's not a very long line, so we may be able to jump on it immediately. So we will see. So we'll see you guys when we get down here. We're gonna try and figure out, we think that the scavenger hunt start is by Fire in the Hole, plus there's some more merch down there.
That's what we heard from the guest, the hospitality house.
Yes. So we will see you guys when we get down there. We have found the kiosk that has all of the shirts and stuff. These two range from are $24.99, and it is the wanted bald knobbers for the crime of stealing and burning pants. Cash reward, and it is paid for by Red Flanders, so we know who took his pants. In another corner there is Red Flanders. You put your pants back on, or put on your pants, hat and shirt, a gray and a red. They are $27.99. There's the baseball tee and the hats that were up front, and there's even like a water bottle and a shot glass, and the shot glasses are $7.99 and the bottle is $27.99. So if you guys want your Fire in the Hole merch, this might be a better spot to come to. So we noticed that on the back side, or we were told that on the back side it says, well, Sadie, I ain't got no more pants, or I ain't got no pants no more. Bald knobber stolen. So that's neat. Okay, so in relation to where Fire in the Hole is, the kiosk that we got those shirts is right there on the left, and there is Fire in the Hole, and it's open. Another thing, they have a photo booth there that you can get your photo with, but we're gonna go ride Fire in the Hole because, I mean, it's the last time it's gonna be around, so we're gonna get as much in as we can. There is even a photo opportunity right over there with it and make it look like you are riding on the ride. So
Red's standing.
Yeah, and you can see Red's rear end hanging out the back end. So anyway, we're gonna jump on Fire in the Hole because it is open. So see you guys after the ride. Okay, so they've extended the queue a little bit for Fire in the Hole, expecting there to be a large influx of riders for obvious reasons. And we come over here to this location. This is a new thing right here. There's some clothes hanging on the line. Well, our scavenger hunt has ended, as it says, congratulations, you found Red Flanders pants. Now, they've been missing since 1972, and you have to use your newfangled contraption to scan that, and it will ask you a question. I'm not going to give away what that question is, as I believe that takes away the fun from all of this, but this is where you can find Red Flanders pants in the queue of Fire in the Hole. But anyway, that being said, now we are going to get on the ride since there's no line. Yahoo!
Alright, so we just got done with our ride of Fire in the Hole for the first time this season. It is retiring out. We're going to get as much ride as we can. And we actually discovered the scavenger hunt ending, unfortunately. We don't even know where it starts at. So it was kind of a bust on it for us, but we're going to try and ride it tomorrow. Do it tomorrow. Anyways, we are going to go to the magic show of Peter Gossamer.
All right, we've made it to the magic of Peter Gossamer, and honestly, we weren't sure where this was at first because we've never seen a show in here. And this has actually been here since 1885 at the riverfront. I'm just kidding. This place was open in 1960, but it says 1885 up there to stay with the theme. But we've never seen this theater before, and really excited to get in here. And I'm kind of a little bit sad that the weather is the way it is. I mean, the park doesn't have a whole lot of people here today, unfortunately. As you can see, we're looking around. It is only, though, oh gosh, sorry, 10:42 in the morning. But I think the weather's gonna hold off for us today, and maybe we can ride one of the outdoor rides. A lot of them are closed, but I did see back there in the distance over there that Outlaw Run had people on it going up the track. So we will see. Anyway, the food is smelling good here also. But we're gonna get in here and we're gonna go see a magic show. Okay, we've made it into the Riverfront Theater, and we've never been in here before, like I said. This place is pretty nice. Yeah, I kind of take back what I said about them having theaters and the theater feel.
Need to open them more.
They need to, yeah, they need to make the Red Gold Heritage Hall look like this. This would be awesome. So, anyway, I'm excited to see this show. All right, so we just got out of Peter Gossamer, and Ash, what'd you think?
It was cute.
Yeah.
For like kids, it'll be perfect.
Oh yeah, it was a great magic show. We had a lot of fun. And he's actually pretty funny. He has some good like one-liner jokes and stuff. So anyway, I think we're gonna go find us something to eat. We're gonna go figure out where those food trucks are at.
At the plaza.
They're over at the plaza, and I think that's over there by where the new ride is going in. So we'll get you guys.
Get some looks into it.
Yeah, we'll get you some shots of that. I hope so too. So we'll see you guys over in the plaza. All right, so on our walk, we've gotten over here to the Taste of the City kiosk, and they are prepped for Street Fest, which starts on April 6th. And here's some things that they are going to have. They're going to have some garlic shrimp mac and cheese for $9.99. A chicken fajita cone is what that looks like. The sign is covering it. Strawberry and chocolate Liege waffle. I'm not really sure what Liege means. Maybe it's a type of thing. Somebody comment below on that one and let us know. Yeah, no kidding. And they have mango bursting boba fresh lemonade. So all of that stuff for $6.29. All this stuff looks good. We're excited for Street Fest. So anyway, on our way to the plaza, again, like we said, to get some food. But here's a little quick look at the new ride that's coming in. Right through there, there's the building. It is far further than where it was the last time we were here. You can still see some outer scaffolding on the backside, which looks right up over there where it's green. So they still have to get that covered up. It's going to look really great as a background here. And I think we saw some track earlier on the backside. If we did, we will take you back there later. But we're gonna go over here to the plaza and get some food. So I'll see you over there. Okay, so we're on the backside of this building here where a new ride is going in, and there is some new construction that you can see kind of inside there. And I see some track going around on the inside if you look really closely. So super excited. Anyway, here is where we are at with the food trucks. You've got London's Calling, Fat Tony's all the way down there, Swirly's, Not Your Ordinary Taco, Fresh Mini Donuts, which I think is the Snow Nut. And then of course, this is where I'm gonna go, to Flat Creek. I'm excited for this one. Anyway, I'm gonna go follow Ash and see what she wants to get, and then I will go get my food. And we will show you what we get then. Okay, so Ash decided to get some London Calling, which is over there. That can be found in Springfield. And then I decided to get some Flat Creek, which can be found in Cape Fair, Republic, and Bolivar. It's a great place to eat. I've had it before, but I kind of want to show you the food. And back here in the plaza, they've even got some cornhole you can come and play while you eat and kind of relax after walking through the park. So right now I'm waiting on my Flat Creek, and Megan is with us today, and her and Ash are sitting over there, and I am waiting for my food so that I can get over there, and we will show you what Ash and I got. Megan tried Fat Tony's, and it's some pretty good pizza. It is also out of Springfield. A lot of these things are out of Springfield, Branson area. So I'm really excited about it. Flat Creek also is partnered with Billy Gale's, which is a great restaurant to go eat breakfast at here in the Springfield or in the Branson area. And it is in Ozark as well. So anyway, I will see you guys again whenever I get my food. Oh, I also ordered the 2-piece catfish and 3-piece shrimp basket, which is $22, and I'm really excited about it because this is some good food. So anyway, see you when I get it. Okay, so this is my Flat Creek shrimp and catfish. It comes with slaw, and some hush puppies are in there. This is actually really good food. I've had it before. The last time I had it, however, it was filled with fries, so I think they're covering the bases. Now here's Ash's pasty. Now this looks actually really good. Yes, and she got some Guinness gravy to go with it. I'm gonna let her.
I'm just scared to bite into it.
I don't think you're supposed. I think you're supposed to eat it with a fork, aren't you?
I think you eat it like you have some.
Oh, okay. We'll go ahead and.
It's super hot. Like my hands are really
Let's see what she thinks.
It's got like a roast beef kind of taste to it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Good, like on a cold popcorn day.
I would dip it in that gravy and see what you think.
I'm trying to do this like very sweet.
Did the gravy make it better? Oh, that's awesome. All right, well, we're going to enjoy our meal, and then we will talk to you guys afterwards. So, see you after. All right, well, guys, that was our trip to opening day of Silver Dollar City, and we're really excited. We really highly recommend coming to see these food trucks. You, however, do not get to use your season pass discount. But that's okay. They are their own private businesses that have come in here to offer us their services, and it is delicious food.
It's starting to rain a little bit.
It is starting to rain a little bit more, but we're gonna see what we can do to kind of just hang out and kind of enjoy ourselves at the park and everything.
Don't forget to get this Fire in the Hole merch too.
Yes, that stuff is
going
awesome.
fast.
It is going fast. It is flying off the shelves. Especially when more people get here, whenever it's better weather. You guys really got to get here and get your stuff. So anyway, if we are going to be here tomorrow also, from the time of this filming. The 2 videos will be released a week apart though. We release weekly due to our life jobs and everything.
Life schedule.
So we only have time to upload 1 video a week, but we really appreciate all you subscribers and hope that you come with us during this theme park season. We really have appreciated you guys last year as well. So anyway, with that being said, if you guys don't want to miss any of our new videos for 2023, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button
so that you guys don't miss out on our adventures. And with that,
bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.